What's good, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. Beacons has a whole lot of apps for content creators, and today we're going to be doing an overview of our insane email marketing tool built specifically for content creators. You're probably thinking, why email? Who still uses email? This isn't the ancient MySpace era. If you're one of those people, well, let me tell you something. Email marketing is a powerful tool for creators, offering direct communication and higher engagement. Creators can deepen audience connections, own their best fans, and leverage them for the type of deep call to actions that casuals on social media might ignore. And let's not forget to mention one of the most important aspects, which is that you get to own your audience, unlike normal social platforms. You don't have to abide by some stupid algorithm that changes every weekend for your content to reach your audience. When building your email list, you're getting your audience's contact info so you can have your content reach them directly. And in this video, we're gonna go over all of that and why Beacons is the best email marketing platform for content creators. And the best part is, it's actually free to start. We'll go over building your email list with a sign up block and by importing your email list, sending your first broadcast and even using AI to build one for you, creating automations, managing your audience, and so much more. Without further ado, let's get into it. Within the Beacons ecosystem, we have two main ways to build your email list. The first and most popular is adding a sign-up block to your link in bio or website. Head to link in bio on the left-hand navigation and press Add Block, then click on Email and SMS. Here, you can configure the fields you'd like to collect from your visitors as well as the layout. Change the Submit button, the Submit redirect, and personalize the success message. Same process for websites too. Head to websites on the left-hand navigation, then click on Edit. At the top, you'll see Add section, then click Collect Emails. And you can customize the fields, Submit button, and success message, as well as adding terms and conditions. Second option is importing your email list. If you have a current email list on another platform, you can import them into Beacon so you don't have to start from scratch. In the email marketing app, go to the top where it says Audience. Press Import Audience, and you can upload a CSV file, import from platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Shopify, or Stan, or add email address manually. Great, now you have an email list. Let's go sending some emails. It is so easy to customize and send a broadcast with Beacons. We actually do it for you. Let me show you. At the top, click on the Broadcast tab and click New Broadcast. At the top, you'll see a section called Ready-Mades. Whenever you upload a video or refresh a link to your link in bio, we'll craft a tailored email to spotlight your new content for you that is completely AI generated. Have your own link you want to promote, like a video or a product? Click Generate with AI and drop a link and it will create the perfect email to send to fans. With both these options, you can send it just like that or use it as a starting point and customize it to your heart's content. But let's say you want to create your own email instead. You can start from scratch and have a blank canvas to customize, or you can choose from one of our many expert design templates. In our email builder, you can fully customize your email. You can browse color palettes or choose your own and even select from a large library of fonts. If you're a creator, you can add content and video blocks, sell your store items, and offer free downloads. Click on any part of the email itself to edit and change the title or links. You can also rearrange the order of sections by clicking and dragging the 6 dots on the left side of the block. You can also check what the email will look like in desktop or mobile, and even send a test to yourself to see what it looks like in your inbox. Once you're satisfied, hit Next, and you can change the subject and preview lines. We can also let AI do this for you too. Press Continue to add recipients, and you can customize the location so it targets only a specific location your subscribers are in. Customize what groups you want to send the email to, as well as manually adding email addresses if you like. Press Review and Send, and you can either send an email now or schedule it for later. And there we go, you've successfully sent your broadcast. Once your audience has opened and interacted with your new broadcast, their live activity will show up here. Let automations do the work for you. Easily set up an email automation sequence from specific triggers or time delays. At the top of the email marketing app, click on Automations. Then press New Automations. You can start from scratch or use one of our many templates. Press Use Template, and here is where you can start customizing your automation. Choose a starting point and select your trigger. Choose the time delay and choose between hours or days, or leave it at 0 for an immediate send. click on the actual email to customize the design and contents. Add another email and choose a time delay. A quick tip, make sure to add your subject and preview lines in each email before activating your automation. Once you've done that, hit activate and your emails will send automatically. You can manage the automations here as well as the data here. After you have a full email list, you can view all your members in the audience tab as well as their info. You can also view who's the most engaged fans by this score right here, and by clicking on each member, you can edit their info as well. See and create groups in the Groups tab. Find and manage those in your membership in the Memberships tab, and sign up forms to your website with a banner or pop-up. You can also filter and sort your audience, and you can even add those into a group. Let's not forget the Settings tab. Customize your sending information here, like your name and reply to address. Add a physical address for deliverability purposes. Quick tip, by adding a street address or a PO box, you can actually increase your deliverability so your emails don't get sent to spam. If you have Beacons Pro, you can add a custom domain and even hide the Beacons logo. Add your social links to your emails here and change the logo or avatar that is shown in the emails as well. Look at you, you're a Beacons Email Marketing Pro. I told you email wasn't old and boring. Did I say it was old and boring? Find out what's included in our free and pro plans at the link in the description, and let us know in the comments what else you'd like to see. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. All right, y'all. See you next time.